I think part of it was just efficiency, looking for two master suites. What we had done was this part of the house here was the old master suite, and it was quite small. It didn't have a dedicated ensuite bath or any of the kind of amenities that you typically find in a house in this area. And so we knew that we needed two master suites, and so looking kind of at the decision to separate the addition, and then also the need to kind of get up and get some height so we can add a roof deck that looks out over the water. It was a pretty simple decision to stack the master suites right on top of each other. That way we get kind of two almost equal master bedrooms. And also just part of the decision to separate it out was that there's a strong kind of common space program associated with the existing house. And I think we wanted to kind of separate the sleeping quarters out towards the periphery of the project. So the addition at the garage, which is at the north end, as sleeping quarters, and then the sleeping quarters for the master suites are at the opposite end. So kind of the existing house is the kind of central focal point where a lot of the common living occurs.